2020 till today, and college is certificated with a B grade by NAC in 2021. And the next one, the Professor MD Jakirala, the principal of SR and BGN Government Arts and Science College Autonomous, Kamam. Welcome, sir. And here's the signing of Sukaprabha.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. A very cool good evening to all. Respected Chief Guest, Senior Professor Chenappa sir, and uh, patrons of this program, Professor MD Jakirullah sir, Principal SRBGNR Government College, Khammam, Autonomous, and Dr. N. Vasavi Madam, Principal Government Degree College, Korutla, and various resource persons from the different colleges and aspirants of the MCOM PG entrance. Very good evening to all. So the state level online PG entrance coaching. So this is the first time we are introduced at state level. Previously, the government degree college given college level to the students. So for the support of the SR BGNR Government Degree College, Khammam. So we organizing this program. So I welcome to the all the resource persons from the various degree colleges, Dr. D. Rajshekhar sir, GDC Jammikunta, and Dr. Satish Kumar sir, SRR Government Degree College Karimnagar, and Dr. Harjot Kaur, and Dr. Adi Ramesh sir, and Dr. Mallareddy sir, and Dr. N. Suresh sir, and Srimati Sujata madam, and Durga Prasad sir, Dr. S. Ramesh sir, and myself, Dr. Burla Naresh, and Dr. K. Arjun, and Srimati Nagalakshmi Madam from Computers Faculty SRBGN. Welcome to all the resource person and supporting this all the members of the resource persons subject experts. We are initiated this program. Thank you very much for all the resource persons on behalf of the Government Degree College Korutla and SRBGNR Government Degree College Autonomous. Main objective of this program is to encourage the students of the government degree colleges and especially rural colleges to motivate the students and encourage the students to got the seats, MCOM seats in campuses of the various universities. So for this reason, we are initiated this program state level with the support of the all the resource persons and motivation of the from the Telangana Commerce Association President Sri Senior Professor Chenappa sir and other subject experts. Especially, I am thanks to principals of the SR BGNR Khammam, Professor Jakirullah sir and Dr. N. Vasavi madam. Thank you very much for supporting us to initiate and start this program. And also congratulates the Dr. Sarvesh sir, SR BGNR Government Degree College, Head Department of Commerce, and co-conveners of this PG coaching, Dr. S. Ramesh sir and Dr. D. Sukaprada Devi madam. Thank you all for supporting us. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Naresh Garu. Now, I invite Dr. P. Sarveshwar Rao Garu, convener of this program.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Dr. P. Sarveshwar Rao, SRM General Government Arts and Science College, Department of Commerce. I express warm welcome to Professor D. Chennappa Garu, Head Department of Commerce, OU Hyderabad, and President of Telangana Commerce Association. And I also invite extend my profound thanks to Dr. Kirula Garu for giving us the opportunity to conduct, and the program is aimed at getting better ranks in the CPGET. I wish the students who are there, who are registered, will get the campus seats. And this program is designed as the material that is available in the market is not a perfect substitute for the direct lectures by the experts from different colleges. So this is a program which is designed not from a single college, and it is designed jointly by the Department of Commerce, Korutla Government Degree College, and SRM Vijayanagar Government Arts and Science College. And the resource sponsors for this program are from different degree colleges located in Telangana, and they're all experts who are well acquainted with the subject and who are well experienced, and they will extend full cooperation, and they are having rich experience in teaching different subjects. In their subjects, they are masters and they are doctorate, and I expect the students will utilize the opportunity for getting better ranks, for getting especially campus seats, and they will shine in the future. And I extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. B. Naresh Garu, who initiated, and he approached me, sir, shall we conduct an MCOM coaching center for coaching, online coaching for the people who are in government degree colleges and rural areas. And for that, I am very much thankful for Dr. Naresh Garu and the resource persons who come forward for blessing our students and for spending their time to the students' benefit. Of course, we are in holidays, but the persons who are expressive and who accepted their valuable time to spend for this productive program, and I express my heartfelt thanks to all the resource persons by name. Of course, as the time is short, I cannot spell all the names, and I express from the bottom of my heart my heartfelt thanks to the resource persons, co-conveners, conveners, and patrons of the program. And I expect the students to join in more numbers, and they will get benefited with this program. Thank you very much, sir. I thank everyone for the opportunity that is given to me. Thank you. Over to Ramesh, sir. Yes, Ramesh garu.
Ramesh sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Chennappa sir. I am Dr. Mallaredi.
Yeah, good evening, Mallaredi.
Happy to see you, sir.
Family.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Dr. Ramesh sir.
Yes, Ramesh sir, please take the session, sir. Please. Ramesh sir. Naresh sir, please carry on, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Due to technical problems, sir, I invite Dr. N. Vasadi Madam, Principal Government Degree College, Korukla. Uh, Please address the gathering, Madam.
Good evening to all. First of all, I heartfelt thank you for the chief guest Chennappa Garu, professor from the Usmania University, head of the Commerce Department, and I congratulate the conveners of this initiative, Dr. B. Naresh Garu and Sarveshwar Rao Garu. And I also take this opportunity to thank the Jakirullah Sir Garu to organize for this jointly organizing state level free online PG entrance coaching for the MCOM. I am very thankful to the part of this session and this program. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Dr. B. Naresh Garu for his profile and continuous effort towards the student community and commerce department. And I thank everyone behind this program and involving this PG coaching, all the resource persons from the various departments and various colleges. I hope this initiative, this coaching will be benefited to the student community and they will cherish and they placed in the campus colleges. Once again, I thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much. Uh, I welcome to Professor Mohammad Zakirullah sir, Principal SR BGNR Government Arts and Science College, Kammam, Autonomous, Kammam.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Respected Chief Guest, Professor Dean Chennappa Garu, HOD of Commerce, Usmania University, and President Telangana Commerce Association, Dr. Neeli Vasavi, Madam Principal, GDC Koretla, HODs of Commerce of both the colleges, as well as conveners of this prestigious online coaching program, and last but not the least, the resource persons of this program. First of all, I like to congratulate the HODs of commerce of both the colleges, GDC Koretla, as well as of my college, Dr. P. Sarveshwar Rao Garu and Naresh Garu, for their effort. In fact, such a programs are the need of the day because the commerce retake its past glory again. And if we have seen the international arena, now the relations between different countries, different nations are not based upon ideological principles or ideological blocks as it was previously. Now the entire world relations, international relations have been based on the commerce involved. those who use continue their hostilities on the political grounds are also friends in the matter of the, for instance, Turkey and Israel, or Saudi and Israel, like that. So the commerce regain its past glory again and again. That's why it become an important pursuing the MCOM become significant again. So whenever some significance is attached to any program, naturally they it grows the competition. So the same thing is going to happen with the MCOM. So such a program for coaching for the entrance exam is the need of the hour. I once again congratulate all those who are behind this entrepreneur for their efforts, and I hope that the students across the Telangana will be benefited by this program. Nowadays, online become a bliss for both the students as well as for the professors who want to enrich their profile. And it is the blessing of the online that we are able to conduct a program for the entire state. I hope that the resource persons who are attached to these programs will uh, take their own college students also, involve all the students of commerce students of their colleges also into the program, and there will be more and more participant and beneficiaries from this program. I congratulate once again to the conveners of this program. Thank you once and all.
Thank you very much. I request Urla Naresh garu, winner of this program. And we got
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm audible, sir.
yes, sir. Voice is coming from your end.
Okay, sir. Okay. Once again, very good evening to all. Welcome to today's session. Chief guest, Senior Professor D. Chennappa, sir, Head Department of Commerce, Usmania University, Hyderabad. President of Telangana Commerce Association and Managing Editor, the Indian Journal of Commerce. Sir, Sir is the man behind the various initiatives of Telangana Commerce Association, Prerana, and conferences and various initiatives of various initiatives and commerce faculty of the various government degree colleges and faculty members to involve in the research activities, and sir also support the all faculty members to guide the students and conduct the various programs online and offline. Sir also participated and attended various programs in various GDs, government degree colleges and residential degree colleges. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our request as a chief guest. This is our third program, online program. The first we are conducted 2 days online faculty development program on research methodology and project report guidance that in collaboration with the Institute of Public Enterprise IP Hyderabad. So that program also sir as a chief guest given the inaugural address and the second program we are conducted online workshop for the students for career opportunities for commerce students. The chief guest is the Professor Imbadri sir, Chairman of the Telangana State Council of Higher Education. This is the third program online in collaboration with the GDC Common. And once again, we are invited as a chief guest to the Chennappa sir. Sir is accepted our invitation. Thank you very much, sir. We are also same cooperation from the Telangana Commerce Association for future initiatives of the this kind of programs, especially to our government degree colleges. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, accepting our invitation on behalf of the GDC Korutla and SRBGNR Autonomous College, Khammam. Thank you very much, sir, for giving this opportunity. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, good evening to one and all. At the outset, really, I congratulate the conveners, Dr. Hurla Naresh, Dr. P. Sarveshwar Rao. Really, it is a very great and good initiative. And really, I also welcome the principal of SRBGNR Government Arts and Science College Autonomous Khammam, Professor Zakirullah sir. I really appreciate the efforts and supports by the principal of the Government Degree College Korutla, Dr. Neela Vasavi Madam. And really, it is a very wonderful program. This program, it would be called as a state level free online PG entrance coaching for MCOM. So I would like to request all the aspirants who would like to attend this program and they would like to crack the MCOM admission into the campus colleges of Telangana state universities. Really, it is a wonderful platform and they are going to give the free coaching. Therefore, I instruct all the aspirants, please attend all the program regularly up to 26th of this month. It is your responsibility to attend the regular. Again, I heard that Dr. Sarveshwar Rao in between he stated that he would like to go, he would like to supply the material also. So really, it is a wonderful idea, juncture on the part of our own faculty members. Really, I am very proud whenever our commerce fraternity is coming and organizing this kind of innovative programs. And I really see that very young and all doctorate faculty of the who belongs to commerce fraternity. Like not only that, Naresh is there. Not only that, if you go to the Devarkonda, Dr. Amavati Ravi today he released a brochure stating that what are the futures courses are available in the government degree colleges without any payment of the fee and providing more facilities. Likewise, all the dynamic faculty, like even MALLAREDDY, is also very wonderful and wonderful experienced faculty. They are all coming together to providing the free coaching for the MCOM aspirants as a head department of commerce from Usmania University and president of the Telangana Commerce Association. I really appreciate their efforts and I congratulate them. I acknowledge their services and I wish them they can have the very, very wonderful, great career to build up their careers in the Department of Commerce and the Telangana Commerce Association. And personally, me, definitely we are going to support for that. Then coming to this aspirants, the program The success of the programs lies on you. Number one is they now it is an online program. Who are attending the program? Please mute yourself. A lot of disturbances there. Like disturbance will continue. It will be good program, but it goes to the like it is a den. Again, coming to the resource persons who are having the resource person, please check up your the internet connectivity and the PPTs. The success lies here only because of it is an online program. It is a two hands together. Only this program is going to be successful. If the teacher internet is not connected and the internet is frequently disturbance is there, that is also be not reaching to the students. Again, students also just they are putting like their profile pic and they are again they are doing their own work. Again, it is not going to be serve the purpose. And please, seriously, those who are serious, like 88 members are there out of the 88 members, it number may be go up to 100. But the thing is there, the seriously timing and that check up the internet connections and as well as to your gadgets, definitely this program is going to be successful. Then again, you may be, some of the aspirants may be having the doubt. Why we should do the MCOM, why we should not go to the MBA. I can tell you that this MCOM is a very traditional, conventional and core course. You can get the core knowledge in the commerce subject. Again, okay, not only getting to the core knowledge into the commerce subject, after completion of the MCOM also, immediately you are expecting that what jobs we are going to get it. There are two kinds of jobs are available for MCOM students, whereas for MBA students only one kind of job is available. Now, what the two kinds of jobs? Number one is government job. You can become accountant, you can become a junior accountant, you can become a lecturer, you can become a faculty, you can auditor, you can become it, and what not is there. Even the telecommunication is recruiting, even the degree colleges are recruiting, junior colleges are recruiting, and even the electricity board is recruiting, telecommunication is recruiting, Jalamandali is also recruiting, and wherever nowadays is accountant, if you are having some knowledge is there in accountancy, definitely you are going to place it in the government sector. So definitely you have to be utilize these opportunities. Number one. Number two, as I mentioned, that not only in government sector, but also into the private sector, also employment opportunities are available. Now forget about it that who are maybe there at the central government, but Indian government, India is going to become a developed country by 2047. India is going to become a third richest world economic countries in the globe. Means any country is going to become a richest, and any country becoming as a developed country means it is only the business. Whenever the business is there, definitely it is going to be trade and services. Services are required. Under the trade, you can act as a exporter or importer, or guidance is there. And coming to the service sector, we can employ into the private sector, also the banking sector, insurance sector, stock exchange, broking, and tourism and traveling, and even hotel management, hospital management. Now each and everywhere accounting knowledge is required. Not only that, you can become now it is becoming a tax is so much of complications coming out. Therefore, you can become a tax consultant, you can become as a chartered accountant, you can become a company secretary, you can become a CMA, and I can tell you that if you learn the core knowledge into the commerce, only the sky is the limit. Now this you're taking the help of the so much of software platforms are available. Using to the software platforms, you can become a not only big data analytics, and you can make use of this artificial intelligence, and you can predict. Not only you can predict about it, you can forecast the what is going to happening, and the forecasting some piece of information you are sharing to the required persons. That is also going to provide employment opportunities. Apart from that, you can become entrepreneurs also. So many avenues are there. Therefore, who are attending aspirants, please be serious about your job. What is your job? Regularly up to 26 you attend. I know that your theory exams are be coming out very close to your theory exams. You can write the theory exam. Apart from up to the theory exams, totally concentrate, and you have to get good marks in the entrance test. You know that more than 10,000 people are writing this entrance examination. Out of the 10,000, only 1,000 campus seats are available. Luckily that the Telangana state is also having 6 state funded universities are there, state funded universities. under the state-funded university to get the seat in Usmania, Shatavana, Kakatiya, Palamuru University, Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda, and the free hostel accommodation is given for you. And the very nominal fees they are going to be collecting. And you can stay 2 years, and after that, you can crack about to the JRF and net. Again, you can register for PhD until you settle into the employment. These are the good venue platforms there. I can tell you that the MBA people, I can tell you that it is only a bud, water on the bud. When it be blasted, we do not know that. But once you become a commerce postgraduate, definitely we are having to have the great career for that. Again, looking about the syllabus of the entrance test is also there. Accounting, you know very well. Just to concentrate, these people are like so many resource persons. Durga Prasad is there, so many madams, and even computer faculty. They are going to give the tips, and just to follow the tips. Once you follow the tips very seriously, immediately you are going to be answering. I know that in core knowledge, core subject, you are very good at, and income tax is also there, just a basic income tax, business statistics, and OB is also there, and the business economics, somewhat the demand and supply. If like this is there, apart from that, please read the newspaper. Current affairs in commerce. Current affairs, they cannot about the political. They whatever the current affairs about the commerce, they will ask. Like what type of current affairs into the commerce? Now, what are the scams about to the Kotak Mahindra Bank? Why this Paytm Bank not allowed to deposit the money or giving about the loans of the money? Apart from for that, please be concentrate for today. Please be concentrate for today. Little bit English also, English basic fundamental grammars. So if you are concentrating that, definitely that the success is in your hand. There's so many avenues are available. So therefore, I don't want to take much of the time, and definitely we are eagerly waiting for the regular classes. Therefore, I appeal to the aspirants. Be serious, be check up your internet connections, be regular, note down the points. Now this is only the online platform, you know. The MOOC is also online platform. SWAYAM is a online platform. Now coming days are online platform. Again, you need not to come to my place. I should not come to your place. But the place is there only the Zoom or this is the online platforms. So therefore, how effectively you are utilizing, that is the necessary for us. You are effectively utilizing. And again, I appeal to the resource persons also. Be clear about yourself. Make it so simple. And in between, you can conduct the tests. After the test conducting, you evaluate it. Who are weak is there, where they are weak. Please concentrate them and encourage them. I tell you that this commerce is going to be emerge again. This in the near future, this commerce course is going to be emerge, and commerce people are getting huge employment opportunities across the globe, not confined to only Telangana, not confined to only Hyderabad, not confined to this only India. It is across the globe. There is no barriers for the commerce students. You can work in Australia, you can work in UK, you can work at America, provided you should have some little knowledge and completely having about the core knowledge. So in this regard, again, I would like to mention that suppose some students, they may not get the seat into the universities, they may get the under the self-finance. Under the self-finance also, the almost all universities are charging 30,000 is there. As I being the president of Telangana Commerce Association, very soon I'm going to be requesting to the Telangana State Council for Higher Education. That is renamed as a Telangana Mandal Council. We are going to be requesting on the banner of the Telangana Commerce Association to reduce the fees. Once they reduce the fees, and definitely the more number of students get admitted into the MCOM. So in these directions, the Department of Commerce and Telangana Commerce Association is working, and really it is a very good initiative, and they are spending their valuable evening time with you to encourage the aspirants to go to the MCOM into the state-funded universities. With this inaugural and welcome address, I congratulate one and all, and really I acknowledge the services of all the resource persons, particularly the Dr. Bulla Naresh and Dr. Sarveshwar Rao, and the support is given by the principals, two college principals, and even the Ramesh, who has initiated, who has been coordinated. who is also one of the resource persons. And definitely in this directions, if we work together, the commerce are definitely going to flourish, and we are going to provide the not only commerce education, we are going to provide the good employment opportunities for our all commerce fraternities. And this inaugural remarks, really I answer. I wish you all the students, you can crack the MCOM in the campus colleges and have about to the great career. Thank you very much inviting me as a chief guest for this free coaching for to the MCOM students. I wish you all, I congratulate the organizers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
It is a honor for us to have you in this evening. And on behalf of all the participants and the conveners, I sincerely thank you, sir, for pinpointing the benefits of joining in MCOM. You made a comparison between MCOM and MBA, and you crystal clearly mentioned the advantages of joining in MCOM. And not only that, on behalf of our participants, I thank you very much, sir, for sending a proposal to the State Council to reduce the fee for MCOM course, with the help of which we can expect increase in admissions in MCOM, sir. So, on behalf of the conveners and the participants, I once again sincerely thank you, sir, wholeheartedly thank you, sir, for enlightening the session. And not only that, in the future also we expect the same kind of cooperation, same kind of encouragement, same kind of motivating words from you and the Telangana Commerce Association. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
And,
Naresh.
On behalf of the conveners, I sincerely thank Dr. Neeli Vasavi Garu, Principal of Government Degree College, Korutla, for her constant support and encouragement to this program. And at the same time, I honestly thank our Principal, Professor Muhammad Zakirullah, SR and BGNR Government Arts and Science College, Autonomous Khammam Principal, for his ever support, everlasting support to this program, to these kinds of programs and encouraging remarks. And I wholeheartedly welcome all the participants, all the aspirants of MCOM course for joining the session. And I hope this session, the coming sessions up to 26th of June will be providing enriching experiences to you. And I hope you benefit from these kinds of sessions. And I hope, as sir, our Professor D. Chennappa Garu mentioned, only 1,000 seats are there in a university campus colleges. And I hope you will get admitted into those prestigious state government university colleges with the help of this coaching. And not only that, to all the participants, whoever missed this online coaching, the entire recording of all these sessions will be uploaded in YouTube, and the same will be shared in a WhatsApp group every day. So even if with network problems, as mentioned by Professor Chennappa Garu, if any network issues are there, you don't worry. All these sessions will be recorded and they will be uploaded immediately on the same day in YouTube, and the link will be shared in the WhatsApp group. So with this inaugural session is closed. I request Dr. M. Mallaredi Garu, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Degree College, AGRAHARAM, to enlighten the participants about the course structure and how to crack CP GATE MCOM course. And a brief about him. He has put in almost 2 decades of experience in teaching, and he was awarded as state best teacher by the state government of Telangana in 2021. And recently, in the concluded Jignasa student study projects also, his directed project has won 5th time at the state level as the best study project. And he has presented umpteen number of seminar paper presentations in a national level as well as international level. And with this, he has published almost 22 books. And with this brief, I invite Dr. M. Mallaredi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Degree College, Agraharam, to take over the session. So welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Mallaredi.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. S. Ramesh, sir. Dr. S. Ramesh, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are very much audible, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
you're
sir.
audible,
Thank
sir.
you very much, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening to one and all. Respected mentors of today's PG, CP GATE, state level free online PG entrance coaching for MCOM. Mentors Dr. Neeli Vasavi Madam, Principal, GDC Korutla, and another dynamic principal of SRN, BGNR, GAS Karmam, Professor MD Zakirullah sir, beloved principal of that college, and chief guest, today's chief guest, very dynamic person, who is well versed and pioneer in insurance sector, in the education sector, who is well versed in insurance sector, specialized person, Professor D. Chennappa sir, senior professor and head Department of Commerce, Usman University, Hyderabad, who is also president Telangana Commerce Association and is also editor in chief of a famous journal being sponsored by Department of Commerce, Usman University. So really you have faculty in Telangana state, not only for the faculty but also for the commerce students as well, sir. Thank you very much for inspiring words, sir. Playing a vital role in bringing up this program, Dr. Burla Naresh, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Head Department of Commerce, GDC Korutla, and another convener, Dr. P. Sarveshwar Rao, Head Department of Commerce and Business Management, SRN, BGNR, Kamam, and Dr. S. Ramesh sir, who is also author of many commerce books and a very good person, a knowledgeable person, Assistant Professor of Commerce, SRN, BGNR Government Arts and Science College, Kamam. So very good evening to all the participants. I think I am clearly audible to all of you. So myself, Dr. M. Mallaredi, I am from Government Degree College, Agraharam, Sirsilla district. So I am going to enlighten you on newly revised syllabus for MCOM being sponsored by the Usman University, that is as part of TGCP GATE. So let me share my PPT so that you can understand very well. So let me share my PPT. Sir, is my PPT visible to you?
Yes,
Sir,
sir, but
is my PPT visible to you?
it has not opened yet.
Not visible, sir.
Not visible,
Please check,
sir.
please check once again.
Not
Opened yet.
visible, sir.
Only Dr. MM is presenting is being displayed, sir. Presentation. Now it is displayed. See, can't open file, it is showing, sir.
Now let us look at the screen, sir. Okay.
But the slideshow has begun. No slide is appearing, sir, on the screen. You
Okay,
just
okay.
check.
Let me share it. Okay. Yes, yes.
No, sir, nothing is being displayed.
Mallaredi sir, please share the PPT to Ramesh sir.
Mallaredi, sir, you share PPT to me. Otherwise, via WhatsApp, I will share.
Right. Sorry for the interruption, sir. Ramesh sir, I have shared my PPT to you through WhatsApp.
Okay, sir, I will share it. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, is it visible?
Okay. Make it in a
Yes sir,
no,
visible
make
sir.
it in PPT mode, sir.
Sir?
Full screen sir,
Make
full
it full
screen.
screen.
Made, sir.
No.
Here it is appearing as full screen. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Is it okay, sir?
No. Not yet visible.
Not yet visible. Okay,
Yeah.
let me just check. Let me just check. I will share again. Is it not full screen, sir?
Sir, press F5 button, sir, so that we can see full screen.
For me, it is appearing as full screen only, sir. That is why I'm
No,
confused.
sir.
Just a minute.
Yes. My dear students, please pin this presentation so that you can comfortably watch my presentation. So pin it.
Sir, is
Yes,
it okay?
sir. Okay, now it is okay.
Okay.
Okay, right. Just a minute, sir. Right. Good evening to one and all. So we are already late by few minutes. Sorry for the interruption. So today we are going to discuss about CPGAT MCOM entrance syllabus, that is revised syllabus. So when the syllabus was revised, what were the changes made into MCOM syllabus? And I am also going to explain you examination pattern and revised syllabus and how you need to prepare. What are the preparation tips and what are the reference books you need to go through? So these are the points I am going to explain through my presentation. So kindly patiently listen to my presentation so that you can get some good amount of information. So this is the schedule. I think all the participants might have applied for the MCOM entrance examination. If anybody has not applied so far, please apply immediately. So our last date is 17th June 2024 without any fine. So with fine there is a date, but you don't wait till date with fine. So please apply immediately. So that is about the schedule and the examination pattern. So this MCOM, CPGAT MCOM entrance test will be conducted through online computer-based test. So it will be conducted only computer-based test. So therefore, there will be no physical examination. That you have to understand, and you have to apply early so that you can choose nearby test center. So that will be the advantage for you. Go to the next slide, sir. Next, so these are the participating universities of CPGAT. So we have 8 universities, but commerce is being offered by only 7 universities in Telangana state except JNTU. So that is OU, KU, Telangana and Mahatma Gandhi. Remaining all other universities are offering MCOM course. And the next one, eligibility. So here is an interesting point is there here. So from 2022 onwards, if I am not wrong, so MCOM entrance test is opened for all. All means earlier only BCom people were eligible to appear for MCOM entrance, but later they made it open for all other groups as well. That is BA. Those students who have completed BA can also appear for the MCOM entrance test as MA English and MA Telugu. Therefore, it is open for all the students. That means BBA, BBM, BA and remaining undergraduate students can also appear for the MCOM entrance examination. So that is the change in syllabus. Coming to examination pattern, as all of you know that the MCOM entrance test will be conducted for 100 marks with 100 multiple choice bits. So here multiple choice questions will be covered in the MCOM entrance examination, and this exam will be conducted for 90 minutes. That means 1.5 hours through computer based test, CBT mode. That will be online test. And another interesting thing is that most students may get doubt whether it will be in English medium or Telugu medium. So my dear students, this examination will be conducted in both media. That is, it will be conducted in Telugu medium as well as in English medium also. And one more interesting thing is that how many marks are cut-off marks. So here cut-off marks are 25% for OC candidate, EWS and BC candidate. 25% means 25 marks are the minimum marks you need to get through this test. So for SC ST candidate, there will be no minimum cutoff marks. So that is the about minimum marks. So next slide, sir. So these are the MCOM different electives. So different MCOM courses being offered by the various universities. So there are 6 specializations in MCOM. One is MCOM General. So being offered by almost all the universities in Telangana, and MCOM IS, that is Information System. So being offered by Usman University as far as my knowledge is concerned, and MCOM E-Commerce, MCOM Computer Application, Insurance and Banking, Financial Accounting. Except IS, remaining all the MCOM elective courses are being offered by all the 7 state universities. So that you need to understand. And these are the test zones. Means if you apply earlier so that you can choose the nearby test zone so that you can comfortably appear for the online test. So therefore, I request all the participants to immediately apply for the CPGAT. So coming to important aspect of today's presentation, that is TG CPGAT 2024 MCOM entrance syllabus. So one important point I would like to highlight here is that, so MCOM entrance syllabus was revised in the year 2023. So what were the main changes? So three subjects were changed and replaced with the new subject. What are these? I will tell you. So here, the entire MCOM syllabus is divided into two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A is covered for 40 marks with 4 subjects. So Part A consists of 4 subjects. These are financial accounting, second one advanced accounting, third one income tax, fourth one business law. Here, let me tell you, earlier there was a corporate accounting that was replaced with the advanced accounting now. In the revised syllabus, advanced accounting was replaced. That was mentioned in the MCOM syllabus. Another change was income tax. Earlier there was an auditing subject for 5 marks that was replaced with the income tax. So in the revised syllabus, income tax was made a part of it. Then next, these are the two changes in Part A. Coming to Part B is for 60 marks. There are 6 subjects, out of which 4 subjects are from commerce field. Remaining 2 are from general. So what are they? Fifth subject is business economics. It was also in the earlier syllabus. Next one, business organization and management. And 7th one, business statistics. So it is also an old subject. And the 8th one is basic computer skills. Earlier there was an information technology for 5 marks, but 5 marks increased to 10 marks, and basic computer skills with new name, this subject was included into the MCOM syllabus. So these are the 8 subjects from core subject of the commerce, and remaining 2, they are 9th subject is general knowledge and current affairs, and the last subject, that is 10th one, general English. So general knowledge means here, what do you mean by general knowledge? You don't focus on history, geography, economy and polity. General knowledge means current stock GK or stock points related to commerce and business only. GK related to commerce and business, that you need to understand about the general knowledge. And let me explain briefly about the specific topics under each subject and how the question will be asked. My dear students, while watching this presentation, you make it horizontal so that you can visible the question, you can see the question clearly. So coming to first subject, that is financial accounting, you might have studied in BCom semester 1 and 2. So this financial accounting includes FA1 and FA2 in both semester 1 and 2. So what are the specific topics highlighted in financial accounting here? So introduction to accounting. Next one. Yes, somebody has on their mic. Please mute your mic. Right. So introduction to accounting, including accounting concepts and convention. Definitely you can expect one question from accounting concepts and conventions. The next, accounting process, journalizing, posting to ledger accounts. Subsidiary books, there are 8 subsidiary books from which one question can be expected, including cash book, BRS, that is bank reconciliation statement, preparation of trial balance, final accounts, and errors and rectification of errors, bills of exchange, consignment, joint venture, depreciation and reserves, single entry and non-trading concern. Then what you have, on which you have to focus on. So here you need to focus on basic concepts. The next, definitions, debit credit rules, and all the accounts formats. So these are the important points on which you need to focus on, so that the simple questions will be covered from the syllabus. Here I have given you one previous year question. Let me tell you. As per dual aspect concept, there are 4 options. As per dual aspect concept, the accounting equation was developed. What is the... Yes, Amma. Sangeeta. Sangeeta, please mute your mic. Sangeeta. Right. So as per dual aspect concept, accounting equation was developed. What is the accounting equation? Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So remaining 3 options are wrong. First option is the correct one. So like this, very simple questions will be covered from the financial accounting one. Sir, go to next slide, sir. Yes, sir, Ramesh, sir. Next slide, please. Yeah. Coming to second, advanced accounting. Advanced accounting, you might have studied as part of BCom 3rd semester. Earlier, there was a corporate accounting, but that was replaced with the advanced accounting. So what are the specific topics? From advanced accounting, 10 multiple choice questions will be covered for 10 marks. So what are the specific topics given under syllabus? So they are partnership accounts, including admission, retirement, death of partner, dissolution of partnership, and sale to a company. So from partnership, you can expect one ratio related question. You can expect one question from Garner versus Murray case. So like that, you can expect questions from this topic. The next one, company accounts, including issue of shares and debentures, forfeiture, reissue of shares, redemption of debentures, underwriting, issue of bonus shares, profit prior to incorporation, valuation of goodwill and shares. So these are the specific topics mentioned under advanced accounting, from which 10 multiple choice questions will be covered. And what you need to focus on? You need to focus on, again, basic concepts, definitions. Here, ratios, how to find out the sacrificing ratio, how to find out the gaining ratio. So like that, you need to practice from the partnership. From company accounts, you need to focus on forfeiture of shares. What are the general entries to be written for forfeiture of shares? So that you need to focus on. So let me tell you one simple example quickly. So go back to earlier slide, sir. One simple question was given in the earlier examination. What do you mean by super profits? So you might have studied in valuation of goodwill. Super profit means the difference between future maintainable profit minus normal profit is called as super profits. So this question is covered from the valuation of goodwill. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one, sir. Dear students, the third important subject is income tax. Earlier there was no income tax, but in 2023, the income tax was made a part of the income entrance syllabus. So now, what are the specific points covered under income tax? Let me show you. Canons of taxation, definition and basic concepts of income tax. So here in income tax, you need to focus on sections, years, sections, concepts, calculation of tax and percentages and TDS. Like this, you need to focus on, because income tax means sections and percentages that you need to focus on. And the next one, heads of incomes. So in income tax, there are 5 heads of incomes. All the 5 heads of incomes are covered under income tax syllabus. So next one, residential status, income from salary, that is the first head. Income from house property, profits and gains of business or profession, capital gains, income from other source. From 5 heads, the question will be covered. In 2023 paper, question was highlighted here. That is, the Income Tax Act 1961 came into force with effect from. Dear students, the paper setter is asking about the date. You might know about the year of the act, but most people do not try to know about the date of implementation. Here in income entrance test, date of implementation is also being asked in entrance test. Therefore, you need to, while preparing the difference, the important thing you should note down. It came into force from 1st April 1962. Like this, you need to understand the date of implementation also. So this is the sample question covered in the 2023 paper. Coming to next one, that is 4th subject, business law. It was also part of the syllabus earlier. So in business laws, the specific topics given are Indian Contract Act. Let me. Yeah.
Mallaredi, you are not audible. Your mic is being interrupted.
Now,
please check.
yes, now just I got interruption, sir. Now, is it audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, okay, sir. Now, the 4th important subject is business laws. So, business laws includes Indian Contract Act, including essentials of valid contract, offer, acceptance, and consideration, and performance of contract and breach of contract. You need to focus on Indian Contract Act 1872 and all the essential elements of contract. And the next important topic in business laws is Information Technology Act, that is 2000. So a date you need to prepare the date also, date of implementation as well. The next one, Sale of Goods Act and Consumer Protection Act. Here, one point I would like to mention is Consumer Protection Act was repealed with Consumer Protection Act 2019. So that earlier it was 1986, that was replaced and repealed by the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So you need to prepare 2019 Act only. The next one, Intellectual Property Rights and Management of Companies Meetings winding up. So one sample question is highlighted here. Let us look at Information Technology Act 2000 came into force on, again, date was asked, date of implementation was asked. So dear students, while preparing, you should also try to find out the date of implementation of different acts. So here, what was the date? I think the date is 17th October 2000. Like this, you need to prepare the date of implementation also. Next one, sir. Coming to fifth one, business economics, which is also one of the most important subjects. So business economics has very limited syllabus for entrance. So what are the specific topics here is business economics, including characteristics, importance, micro and macroeconomics, law of diminishing marginal utility, law of equimarginal utility, demand analysis, supply analysis, and production analysis, cost and revenue analysis. So here in business economics, while preparing different topics, you try to understand the concept with the help of diagram or chart so that you can well understand the economics. Without diagram, without chart, you can't understand the business economics. So it is a scoring subject. One simple question I have highlighted here is, what is the law that defines the demand curve to slope downward known as? So what is the reason for demand curve to slope downwards? So the main reason is diminishing marginal utility. Like this, very simple questions will be covered in MCOM entrance test. Next one. So another important subject of the syllabus is business organization and management. It is one of the favorite subject of most of the commerce students, and very limited topics were given under BOM. So what are the specific topics given under BOM? Concepts and forms of business organization. There are different types of business organizations are there. The next, joint stock company. That's all. So different types of businesses and joint stock company. Very limited syllabus. And then next, they have highlighted that functions of management. You need to prepare different functions of management as well as principles of management. The next one, planning and organizing, authority, coordination and control. So these are the very few topics were covered under BOM. One sample question here is given for your reference. Who approves the name of a particular company? Generally, the registrar of companies will approve the name of a particular company. Therefore, option 3 is the correct, the registrar of companies. So like that, very simple questions will be covered from the BOM. So coming to seventh subject, business statistics, from which 10 bits will be covered for 10 marks. So here also, the business statistics also one of the scoring subjects in MCOM entrance syllabus. So what are the specific topics given here is origin and development of statistics, statistical investigation, diagrammatic presentation, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, skewness, kurtosis, and correlation, regression, index numbers, time series, probability and theoretical distribution. Then what you need to focus on here in business statistics, you need to focus on different types of techniques, statistical techniques, and what are the important formulas. Here in statistics, you need to focus more and more on formulas. If you know the formula, you can find out the solution. And another interesting thing is test. So here in the previous question paper, more than 5 problems were covered in the (2023) MCOM entrance question paper. One sample question was given here. The 3 yearly moving the simple and small problems will also be covered from the business statistics. Next, sir. Coming to 8th important subject, that is basic computer skills. It will also cover 10 multiple choice questions for 10 marks. So very limited topics were covered here also. Understanding of computer and word processing, operating computer using GUI,
Sir, voice is not coming, sir. Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Mallaredi sir. Sir, not audible, sir.
topic user interface and GUI. So based on operating system,
Sir, sorry, sir, your
understanding
voice
word
is not audible.
processing using spreadsheet, basics of presentation software, that is PPT, introduction to internet when it was launched, and World Wide Web, web browsing. Very limited. Now let us stay. Okay, sir. Is it okay now? Yes, sir. Ramesh, sir.
Yes, sir, it is okay.
Ramesh, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir,
confirm
it is
once.
okay now.
Okay, sir. Audible.
My voice
Audible,
audible?
sir. Audible, sir. Please continue. Audible, sir.
Yes.
Please continue. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, now it is audible, sir. Now it is audible.
Please continue, sir.
Please continue, sir. Mallaredi, sir. Naresh, sir.
Sir.
In the meeting or he left? You check once.
Okay, sir. I will check.
Okay, okay, madam.
He may be
Yes, yes. I am
rejoining,
ready.
sir.
I am ready.
We
Due to
can.
technical glitches. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, now you are.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes,
Please
yes.
continue.
Okay, sir. So coming to next important subject, that is 8 basic computer skills, from which 10 multiple choice questions will be covered for 10 marks. So moving on to next topic, next subject, the next slide, sir. General knowledge and current affairs. So here general knowledge means you need not to go through the history, economy, and the geography, polity. Here general knowledge means related to commerce and business only. Like who is the host carb, who has proposed host carb, who is the FWT, like that, who is the scientific management thought or thinker, like that. The stock GK will be covered from the commerce and business management. So you need not go through the history and all that. And related to current affairs. So current affairs, for how many months you need to cover. So I request all the participants or MCOM aspirants. So please go through the previous 6 months current affairs so that you can answer very well. So current affairs again related to commerce and business only, like RBI, Life Insurance Corporation of India, SEBI, and other. So these are the current affairs that are related to commerce and business should be covered as part of your preparation. So one simple question was covered in the previous paper. Which institution developed the Bharat Interface for Money, BMAP? So option is National Payment Corporation of India. Like this, the current affairs will be covered in your MCOM entrance test. So we have reached to the last subject, that is General English. So very few topics were covered as part of General English. So again, we will get 10 MCQs for 10 marks. So what are the specific topics covered under General English? Synonyms, antonyms, comprehending a passage. So one passage will be given to you. You need to go through that passage and you have to answer the questions given under that passage. So 4 to 5 questions will be covered from the passage. And the remaining topics are report writing, types of reports, parts, contents, form of report, business report, academic report, essentials of good report writing. So remaining topics are related to report writing only. One simple question was covered in the previous paper, that is, choose the correct antonym of the word deficit. So deficit is related, already we have learned as part of accounts for non-profit organizations. As part of income and expenditure account, we will find deficit or surplus. So here, the antonym word for deficit is surplus. Like this, very simple questions will be covered from the General English also. And dear students, we have reached to next topic, that is, what are the reference books you need to go through. So these are the reference books for each and every subject. If it is possible, you try to go through these books. Otherwise, I will give you one tip, one good book to be referred for the MCOM entrance test. So let me tell you subject-wise reference book. Financial accounting, you can go through the Telugu Academy. Otherwise, you can go through the Kalyani publisher, that is Financial Accounting by S.P. Jain and K.L. Narang. It is one of the famous book for financial accounting. There are 2 volumes, volume 1 and volume 2, in which financial accounting and advanced accounting, both accounting will be covered in volume 1 and volume 2. So coming to second subject, that is advanced accounting, again you can go through the Telugu Academy. If it is not possible, you go through the S.P. Jain and K.L. Narang book by Kalyani publishers. సో ఇక్కడ 2 వాల్యూమ్స్ ఉంటాయని చెప్పాను, వాల్యూమ్ 1, వాల్యూమ్ 2. ఈ రెండింటిని మీరు ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్ 1, ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్ కి రెఫర్ చేయొచ్చు, అడ్వాన్స్డ్ అకౌంటింగ్ కూడా మీరు రెఫర్ చేయొచ్చు. కమింగ్ టు ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్, you might have studied at 4th semester of your BCom, that is H. Prem Raja and CA Sridhar Dubaka, that is not Subaka, read it as Dubaka. So this is one of the famous book being followed by most of the students in Telangana. It is a better book, you can quickly get the important points. Otherwise, if you have patience, you can go through the Vinod K. Singhania and Monica Singhania. This is also a wonderful book for income tax. And coming to next important subject, that is business laws, you can refer Telugu Academy book. In Telugu Academy book, after completion of every chapter, they have provided multiple choice questions. Those questions can be prepared comfortably. Therefore, Telugu Academy book is a wonderful book for preparation. And otherwise, you can also refer N.D. Kapoor book also for business laws. Next, sir. Next, 5th one, business economics. For business economics, D.M. Mithan is the wonderful book by Himalaya Publishing House. So that you can refer. Next one, business organization and management, Sharma and Shashke Gupta. It is one of the most wonderful and easily understandable book. And most students might have referred this book for their preparation. Therefore, Sharma and Shashke Gupta for BYM. The next one, business statistics, S.P. Gupta and S.C. Gupta. It is a very large volume. If it is not possible to go through this book, you can comfortably go through the Pankaj publication. Most of the teachers will use this Pankaj publication for practicing of business statistics problems. Therefore, you can go through this Pankaj publication as well for practicing the short problems from each topic. So that is the best book. The next, basic computer skills, Chetan Srivastava. I am suggesting this book. Otherwise, computer expert resource person will also tell you which book need to be followed. The next one, general knowledge and current affairs. My dear students, commerce students, there is no specific general knowledge book for commerce and business management. Whatever knowledge you have gained out of 20 commerce related subjects, from which the GK bits covered in MCOM entrance. So therefore, there is no specific book, but you need to go through the all commerce books. And coming to current affairs, you need to go through the daily newspaper as well as Shine India magazine is there. That is the monthly current affair magazine. It is a wonderful book in which you can get the valid points, valid current affairs. And the last one, general English, Renan Martin. So Renan Martin is a very good book for English grammar. Therefore, it is wonderful book that I can suggest you. So these are the reference books. But ఇక్కడ ఇవన్నీ చూడగానే స్టూడెంట్ ఏమనుకున్నారంటే we don't have enough time to buy all these books. We don't have enough time to go through all these books. Tell me one book. If you ask me to tell one book, the best book, one book that covers all the multiple choice bits from the syllabus is MCOM entrance book by the Vijeta competition. My dear students, I can strongly suggest you to buy MCOM entrance by Vijeta competition, wherein you can get all types of multiple choice questions chapter wise from the all subjects. So that I can refer you. This is the best book మీరు ఇది తీసుకోండి. ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ గా వెళ్ళాలంటే ఎంకామ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎంకామ్ కామర్స్ అనే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ బిట్స్ బుక్ కూడా మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. అదర్వైజ్ 2000+ కామర్స్ మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ బిట్స్ బుక్ కూడా మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ నేను సజెస్ట్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే ఎంకామ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ బై విజేత కాంపిటీషన్. అందులో మీకు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. బట్ వైల్ బయింగ్ దట్ బుక్ యూ టేక్ కేర్ దట్ యూ ట్రై టు బై ది రివైజ్డ్ ఎడిషన్ ఓన్లీ, వేర్ ఇన్ 3 new subjects bits are added. So that I would like to suggest you. So dear students, నేను ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్పాలని నాకు ఒక ఛానల్ ఉంది, ఎంఎంఆర్ కామర్స్ అకాడమీ ఛానల్ అని. ఆ ఛానల్లో దాదాపు నాకు 2021 ఎంకామ్ పేపర్ అనాలిసిస్ వీడియో పెట్టాను నేను. తర్వాత అవేర్నెస్ వీడియో కూడా పెట్టాను రీసెంట్లీ. అంటే ఒకటి ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్ నుండి 100 మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ అనే వీడియో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. 100 బిట్స్ దాంట్లో ఇచ్చాను. ఆ బిట్స్ నుండి ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కూడా ఎంకామ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ లో బిట్స్ కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి. అది కూడా చూడండి. మై ఛానల్ నేమ్ ఈస్ ఎంఎంఆర్ కామర్స్ అకాడమీ అని మీరు యూట్యూబ్ లో కొట్టగానే వస్తుంది, దాన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు డిగ్రీ నుండి మీరు కామర్స్ రిలేటెడ్ జాబ్ సంపాదించేంత వరకు ఈ ఎంఎంఆర్ కామర్స్ అకాడమీ మీ వెంబడే ఉంటుంది. సో అది కంపల్సరీగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని వినండి. నా వీడియోస్ కూడా నరేష్ సార్ ద్వారా కానీ రమేష్ సార్ ద్వారా కానీ మీ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేయించడానికి నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ యూ కెన్ అన్మ్యూట్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ మీ. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ both conveners and the principal, today's chief guest, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to briefly enlighten students on syllabus. Specific questions? Yes. Anybody would like to ask any question? Over to Ramesh sir.
Dear participants, please ask.
One query is there in the chat box once. Vijeta books, where do we get?
In every bookseller you can get the Vijeta competition. Try to see that should be the revised edition only after 2023. In 2023 syllabus was revised. Accordingly, the Vijeta competition brought out our book for preparation. Yes. In every bookseller you can find it. Yes. Another important question is how the selection process, sir. Selection means depending upon your merit or rank, you can get the seat in OU or KU, any other universities, colleges. Yes, any more?
Previous papers already 3 years. Sir, in short box asked one of the students.
The previous papers. Let me previous.
Are shared in one.
Yes, already all previous papers were. So I will also try to share my videos with explanation of previous papers. So that will help you to find out the answers for the previous question papers. How much rank? My dear students, I would like to suggest you ఎంకామ్ రాసే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఒక ర్యాంక్ వస్తుంది. ర్యాంక్ కోసం కాకుండా you have to get below 50 rank, you have to get below 100 rank. Try to get below 100 or below 50. That should be your focus, that should be your target. So everybody gets the rank. Whoever appears for the MCOM entrance test will get the rank. So getting rank is not at all important. Getting below 100 is most important to get a seat in OU campus or at KU campus or in any other university campuses. That my suggestion. Sir, is our degree textbooks enough for MCOM entrance? Yes. If you have followed your Tele Academy books, they are enough. Otherwise, Kalyani publisher books also enough. And practice all the short problems in Pankaj publications, because there are n number of short problems are given at the end of every chapter that will help you to practice the problems. Then next, how many sets are there in CPGET, sir? How many seats are? So particularly, I think 1,000 seats, sir. Ramesh sir, can you clarify that question? How many MCOM seats are there?
Sir mentioned only 1,000 seats in university colleges, sir.
University colleges, yes.
See, Kalyani, every year, you please remember, every year, so many seats are being left
Yes.
without being filled in universities. Majority of many of the students are not joining in a postgraduate programs at all, actually. So that is why our honorable chief guest, Professor Chennappa sir, is planning to request the state council to reduce the fees structure of our MCOM. So don't worry about seats. So many seats are being left over. But remember, as mentioned by our Mallaredi garu, you have to try to get into top university colleges. Getting seat in a remote areas where there is no good faculty, or where there is no much of a resource system available for you, that is not going to be good. You try
Sir,
to
another, yes, sir.
100 positions. Sir,
Prashant Danturi, you have passed in 2021. So anybody can apply for CPGET MCOM entrance. So you can comfortably apply for CPGET MCOM entrance. And one more interesting thing that I forgot to tell you, one more interesting point. You can apply for CPGET MCOM entrance, as well as you can also apply for other subjects, other PG subjects also. So one candidate can apply for more than one PG courses as well. So you can apply MCOM. At the same time, you can apply for MA English or MA Telugu, MA Sociology, any other interested course, which is open for all the students. So that is the important thing I would like to tell you. For Usmania University, how much rank is required? Sir, below 100. If you get below 50, you can easily get Usmania University campus. If you get 100, you can get, if you are a woman or a woman student, you can get at new university. That what is the university? Koti Women's. You can get the seat. So if you get below 100, you can get a very good campus seat.
Gorupalli Kaveri, how is the selection process? See, Kaveri, just based on your merit, you are going to get seat.
Yes.
You interview or nothing else. Gorupalli Kaveri, this is the reply for you. Okay, based on your merit in the CPGET entrance examination.
Any other relevant questions? And one more suggestion to all the participants: it is free online coaching. Whenever it is free, most people neglect listening to the classes. Here, all the doctorates are trying to teach you. They are bringing very good points from each and every chapter. They are trying to teach you in a qualitative way. Therefore, try to utilize this opportunity. Whenever there is a free, most people neglect attending regularly. They will miss the classes, so that you can't get a good rank. So that is my suggestion from my side. Okay, sir. Thank you. Free structure, sir. Gorpalli Kaveri. You can first try to get the good rank. The fee would be just like in our chief guest has highlighted that in restructure course, for restructure course, 30,000 fees there. He is going to represent the Higher Education Council to reduce that fee also. So if you get good rank, there will be no fee at all. Gorupalli Kaveri.
Yes, Punna Harika. Sir, selection
Yes.
is based on caste reservation. Yes, automatically.
Yes.
You know it, roster cum reservation system. Everything is there as per normal procedure. Okay.
Yes. Okay, Kaveri. Okay, fine. Any other relevant questions? Okay, if there are no questions, then over to Ramesh sir. Thank you very much. And Burla Naresh sir, you have initiated a very good program, but try to motivate the participants to try to appear every day, try to attend the classes every day, so that the main object of the program will be fulfilled.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful session and suggestions. So actually, 311 students are registered. So due to some reasons, tomorrow onwards we will improve and we will share early the link, sir.
And sir, this Google Meet is not at all comfortable app to use for online classes. I think Zoom will be the best app for online classes, as far as my knowledge is concerned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will find another platform also to try to Zoom also. It is also the main reason I think most number of the participants are not joined in this Google Meet.
Roshni Vennam, thank you very much. You didn't get earlier? You didn't get the rank earlier? I am your previous student. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing your valuable information. No. Now try to get the good rank. Okay. Roshni Vennam. This time you should get below 50 rank. Then we will be more happy. Yes, management lo join avvacha sir without entrance examination. You need to appear for the examination to join through management quota also. Prithvi, LAT. Roshni Vennam, I have joined in SRR, but I left early. So don't left. SRR is a very good college, reputed college. If you complete your MCOM at SRR, you will get good employment opportunities. Okay. Qualified Radhamma, if you get good rank, then you will get seat at campus colleges. Simply qualified Radh seatu. So do you have any? They have any PDFs related to subjects? So Adla Aravind, already video lessons unnai. Sarval kuda everyday session kuda YouTube lo petti meeku share chesaru group lo. Na channel unna videos kuda forward cheyadani nenu request chestanu. Meeku andubatulo untayi. PDFs kuda meeku share cheyadaniki we will try.
So requested to all the students, please don't worry about the fees. There is a reimbursement system. Almost all the students get the benefit of the reimbursement, and also governments also try to the this year motivate the students. Government kuda kottaga reimbursement స్ట్రక్చర్స్ లో కూడా చేంజెస్ తీసుకురావచ్చు. అదేవిధంగా పీజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా కొన్ని బెనిఫిట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంది ఈ సంవత్సరం. ఎందుకంటే న్యూ గవర్నమెంట్ లో దేర్ ఇనిషియేటివ్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు కాబట్టి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా చెప్పండి. చాలా మంది కూడా అందరూ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసి అటెంప్ట్ అవుతే ఎక్కడొకటి సీట్ తీసుకుంటే సో దే విల్ గెట్ ది బెనిఫిట్ ఆఫ్ రియంబర్స్మెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో అనదర్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది గవర్నమెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వాళ్ళకి హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళకు కూడా గవర్నమెంట్ ఒక కొత్త స్కీమ్ తీసుకొచ్చే ఆలోచనలో ఉంది. సో వాళ్ళకి ఇంత అమౌంట్ అని గురించి కాబట్టి ఆల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మీరు జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళు కాకుండా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా చెప్పండి. మీరు ఎంకామ్ అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకొని మీ లోకల్ యూనివర్సిటీ కాకుండా మీరు లోకల్ ఎక్కడైనా తీసుకున్నా కూడా మీరు గవర్నమెంట్ స్కీమ్ బెనిఫిట్స్ అంటే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ రిలేటెడ్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ని పొందే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మీరు డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ ది ఫీ. రీస్ట్రక్చర్ కోర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా మీరు ఫ్రీ రియంబర్స్మెంట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ఉంటే ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ ఆన్లైన్ PG coaching. So higher education will give the definitely higher value to the all. So please inform the other students also, your friends also. Thank you.
Sir, shall we stop, sir? Naresh sir?
Yes, sir. Please, Ramesh sir, please conclude.
Very much, Dr. M. Mallaredi garu. for your wonderful, valuable presentation and enlightening our participants. I sincerely thank you, sir. And dear participants, whatever information that you want, you post in our WhatsApp group, and we will try to clarify various doubts that you have. And tomorrow at 6 p.m., Dr. D. Rajashekar sir will start delivering his lecture from 6 to 7 p.m. on financial accounting. That is the first topic. And please do join, as mentioned by, as remarked by Dr. M. Mallaredi. Don't take it lightly, as it is free coaching. Whenever there is a freeness, you take it for granted. In our society, we watch so many times. If it is free, means you think there is no quality in that one. But I honestly, humbly, sincerely request you all to be very punctual, to be very honest, to be very sincere in preparing for this examination. And thank you. Thank you very much. And tomorrow we will meet at 6 p.m. Thank you very much, dear participants. And thank you very much, Dr. Naresh Garu.
Thank you, sir. Ramesh sir and Naresh sir, and
Thank you.
Harjot Kaur madam, and all the galaxy of resource persons. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.